Offline PC software conversion. No Wi-Fi connection required. Open the software. Miss you. Click Control Devices. Click Export. Select the file you want to upload, then click Open. Select Splicing. Select the device arrangement. Set rows columns by device number and layout. Use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in or out to adjust the file size. The dashed circle indicates the display area, and the image must be kept within the circle. Model appears in the drop-down list, e.g., H75. Select the corresponding model. If your model is not listed, e.g., 46/50 seconds, 56, 60/65, 70/80ths, 85, 100 centimeters, choose generic device. Adjust the blur value to make the overlapping areas of the blades transition more smoothly and blend better. Click Export and select the file save location. Wait for the file conversion to complete. After completion, save to the selected folder. Copy the file 1:1, FTLV to the TF card of the first hologram fan. Copy the file to 2:1, FTLV to the TF card of the second hologram fan. Copy the file 3:1, FTLV to the TF card of the third hologram fan. Do not copy the other files. Insert each TF card back into its corresponding hologram fan. After powering on, the files will play automatically.